Today we're going to look at adding images to our spreadsheets. This is something you might want to do when creating a table for presentations. So here I have our middle schools listed out and I have the logos. Now to insert an image, you can go to a website, right click, copy the image and paste it here. That's one way to do that. So you can use your shortcut Control V to paste. So right click, copy, come to your spreadsheet and Control V to paste the image. Another way is to go to your insert and you can go to insert image here. What we're going to do today is insert an image in a cell, but you have lots of ways of, regardless of how you do it, you can insert an image here by uploading directly. If you have a file saved on your computer, you can use your webcam to take a picture. You can get the link of an image. You can look in your photos, you can search your Google Drive, and you can just search Google generally. So you can insert an image this way. Here I've gone to the web, copied it, and then I pasted it onto my cell. Just remember for our formatting, I want these, I'm going to have these logos fit in these cells here. And so the size of the cell is going to matter. So for Utley, I click on, I'm going to put the logo here in A2. I go to my Utley image, and there's 3 dots here. When I click those 3 dots, it'll say I want to put the image in the selected cell. And I've done that. Notice how small it is. I can do that for each one of these schools here. And now those logos are in the cells, but notice how small they are. I want them to be larger. So to do that, I control the size of the image by changing the size of the cell. And so that allows me to make the cells bigger or smaller. And so if I want to change all of the sizes at the same time, remember I can hold down Shift and I can select all of these cells here. And now when I click on that line and drag it, all of the cells will change at the same time. I can do the same thing here on my row, my column, where I can drag it and make it wider or smaller, and all of the cells are highlighted will do the same thing. So I don't have to change each one at a time. If I want them all to be the same size, again, I would hold down Shift, click on that first row down to this row, and then as I adjust it, as I adjust the size, all of the cells will change at the same time. Some other formatting, remember we can center justify. That makes it look a little bit nicer so it lines up here. And now all of my text bleeds over, right? It goes past so that I can double click, and that will make my column wide enough for all of these to fit. Again, if I want to center justify it, I can do that. So that way it makes a nice standardized list. And then if I want the words, right now they're at the bottom of the cell, I want all of these words to be right in the middle. So I come over here to my vertical alignment, and I can say I want them at the top, I want them in the middle, or I want them at the bottom. So for this, I want mine in the middle, and that's it. So now my image is inside of the cell. It's not floating on top. I can't move it around. But that way it fits inside of the cell and aligns here. You can always delete it and change it. If you just select the cell and hit delete, it will be there. And then as always, if you make a mistake, you can always undo or press Control Z.